I am going to go supermarket tomorrow.
Almost perfect. You just need one small word. Say, go to the supermarket.
Right. I am going to go to the supermarket tomorrow.
Excellent.
Clara, I just realized something.
Oh, that sounds serious already. What happened?
Tomorrow is completely empty. No plan, no idea, nothing. And I live in America now, so apparently that is unacceptable.
Well, Americans do love plans, even small ones. But don't worry, that's actually perfect for today.
Perfect for having no life tomorrow?
Perfect for learning how to talk about plans for tomorrow in English. And honestly, having no plan is a great place to start.
Oh, good. Because I was afraid you were going to say, Jack, tomorrow you must climb a mountain. In English.
No mountains today, just simple plans, very human plans. So, Jack, today we'll practice how to talk about what you plan to do tomorrow. This is something people ask very often friends, coworkers, even strangers.
Yes, people ask me that, and I feel like I don't want to make mistakes.
That's normal. Before we practice sentences, let me explain something important, very simply.
Okay, I am listening carefully, like very carefully.
When you talk about tomorrow, you usually do three things. First, you mention time, like tomorrow or tomorrow morning. Then you say what you plan to do. And sometimes you add extra details, like where or with who.
Time, action, extra details. That already sounds organized.
Exactly. And the good news is you don't need complicated grammar. Simple sentences are perfect.
Simple is my favorite English level.
I know, and you're doing great at it. Let's imagine a very real situation. Someone looks at you and asks, "What are you doing tomorrow?"
Ah, yes, that question. I recognized it.
That's why we'll train, step by step. Let's start with a very common sentence. I am going to plus verb.
I am going to... Okay, that sounds familiar.
Good. Now imagine tomorrow is simple. You have one plan. Maybe you want to rest at home.
Ah, finally, a plan that fits my personality.
So you can say, I am going to rest tomorrow.
I am going to rest tomorrow.
Perfect, clear, natural. Now let's try again, but imagine you want to go to the supermarket.
Okay, I am going to go supermarket tomorrow.
Almost perfect. You just need one small word. Say, go to the supermarket.
Right. I am going to go to the supermarket tomorrow.
Excellent. That was a very good correction.
I feel powerful now. I can go to places.
English is full of small words with big power. Now, let's add time. People often say when tomorrow.
Like morning, afternoon, evening?
Exactly. For example, I am going to work tomorrow morning.
I am going to work tomorrow morning.
Very good. Now you try one. Choose any time.
I am going to watch a movie tomorrow night.
That was perfect. No correction needed.
Really?
Really? Enjoy the moment.
I will remember this day.
Now, sometimes people don't say I'm going to. They say I plan to.
Is that more serious?
A little. It sounds more organized, but it's still very common. For example, I plan to meet a friend tomorrow.
I plan to meet a friend tomorrow.
Great. Now you try, but choose a different action.
Okay. I plan to cook dinner tomorrow.
Excellent. Very natural.
I am planning now.
Careful. Soon people will ask you to organize things.
Please no.
Now let's practice one more important idea. Sometimes you're not sure about tomorrow.
Ah, that is very me.
Then you can say, I might.
I might.
For example, I might go out tomorrow.
I might go out tomorrow.
Good. That shows uncertainty. Very natural.
So it is like I am not 100% sure.
Exactly.
I might to visit a friend tomorrow.
Small correction. Just say, I might visit a friend tomorrow.
I might visit a friend tomorrow.
Perfect. And that mistake was very normal.
Good. My English makes human mistakes.
That's the best kind. Now imagine this. Tomorrow, someone asks you casually, so what are your plans for tomorrow?
Okay, I see the scene.
You don't need a long answer. One sentence is enough.
I am going to study English tomorrow afternoon.
That was excellent. Clear, confident, and very responsible.
Yes, at least in English, I am responsible.
That's a good start. Now, one last thing for today. Sometimes people ask follow-up questions.
Oh, the danger questions.
Nothing scary. They might say, at home or outside, alone or with someone.
Ah, small details.
Exactly. And you can answer very simply. For example, at home, with a friend, by myself.
With a friend.
Good. Now, full answer.
I am going to study English tomorrow afternoon with a friend.
That was very good, Jack. Really.
I feel less scared of tomorrow now.
That's the goal. And tomorrow, you'll actually use these sentences.
Tomorrow? In real life?
Yes, real conversations, real people. But don't worry, we'll do it together.
Okay. Tomorrow, I am ready.
Jack, this is it. Just use the sentences we practiced. No pressure. Speak slowly. Oh, look, here comes someone you can talk to.
Okay. Tomorrow sentences. Don't leave me now.
Hey, good morning. You must be Jack, right?
Yes. Good morning. I'm Jack.
Nice to finally meet you. I'm Mike. I live 2 doors down. Clara told me you just moved here.
That's right. Nice to meet you, Mike.
So how are you liking the neighborhood so far?
I like it. It's quiet and people are friendly. It feels comfortable.
That's good to hear. Hey, quick question. What are you up to tomorrow?
Tomorrow, I am going to study English in the afternoon.
Nice. That sounds productive.
I am trying.
Are you studying at home or somewhere else?
At home. After that, I might go out in the evening.
Oh yeah? Where are you thinking of going?
Maybe a cafe or just a walk.
That's a good plan. I usually take a walk too, especially if the weather is nice.
Yes, the weather matters. If it is sunny, I might walk longer.
Exactly. And what about the morning? Anything planned?
In the morning, I am going to wake up early. Then I plan to make breakfast.
Sounds good already. Cooking something special?
Nothing special, just eggs and coffee. Simple food, simple life.
That's a solid plan. Honestly, that's what I do most mornings too. Do you usually plan your days or do you decide later?
I usually decide later. Planning is new for me.
I get that. Some people love schedules, others prefer freedom.
Freedom feels good, but planning helps me speak English better.
How so?
When I plan, I can think about the words, like tomorrow, after that, in the evening.
That actually makes a lot of sense.
Yes, it helps my brain.
So after your walk tomorrow evening, what then?
After that, I'm going to relax at home. Maybe watch a movie. Nice. Alone or with someone. By myself. For now.
Fair enough. If you ever want company, just let me know.
Thank you. That's kind.
What about the weekend? Or is that too far in the future?
That feels advanced English.
All right, one day at a time.
Exactly.
So Clara mentioned you wanted to practice English more. Do you practice every day?
I try to. Tomorrow, for example, I am going to review new words.
That's great. Do you use an app or books?
Both. I use an app in the morning and a book in the afternoon.
Good balance.
And tomorrow night, I might call my family.
That's nice. Do they live far away?
Yes, in another country. So tomorrow evening is a good time.
I'm sure they'll be happy to hear from you.
I think so too.
You know, my plans for tomorrow are pretty simple too.
Oh? What are you doing tomorrow?
In the morning, I'm going to work. After work, I plan to go to the gym. Then probably dinner at home.
That sounds busy, but organized.
It keeps me sane.
I'm still working on that part.
You're doing fine. Tomorrow, my day is
Flexible.
flexible?
Yes, I mean, I can change my plans.
Small correction. You can say, my plans are flexible tomorrow.
My plans are flexible tomorrow.
Got it. That works perfectly.
Good.
It sounds like you have a nice day ahead.
Yes. Tomorrow, I am going to take it slow.
That's a great way to do it.
And if I feel tired, I might rest more.
Always a smart choice. Well, I should get going. It was really nice talking with you.
It was nice talking with you too.
Maybe we can grab coffee another day.
Sure, we can plan it tomorrow.
Exactly.
Sounds good.
All right. Have a good day, Jack.
You too, Mike. Okay, that happened.
It did, and you did very well.
I talked about tomorrow, and I survived.
More than survived. You sounded natural.
Tomorrow is starting to feel friendly.
Jack, let's take a moment to review all the words and phrases we used today. It'll help our viewers remember and practice too.
I like that. Let's do it, Clara. I want to remember everything.
Perfect. Let's start with the first phrase you said in our conversation. Study English.
Study English. That means I spend time learning English. Like, I study English every morning at home.
Exactly. And it's what you plan to do tomorrow. Very clear and simple.
Right. I am going to study English tomorrow afternoon. Makes sense.
Next, you mentioned wake up early.
Wake up early. That means getting out of bed at the start of the day. I always wake up early to go for a walk before breakfast.
That's perfect. It also fits your plan for tomorrow morning.
Finally, breakfast on time. Important.
Speaking of breakfast, we also used make breakfast.
Make breakfast. That's cooking food for the first meal of the day. Tomorrow, I'll make breakfast with eggs and coffee.
Nice. That's exactly how beginners can talk about routines naturally.
Clara, we also said go out, right?
Yes, go out means leaving home to do something outside. You could say, I might go out to the park in the evening.
Exactly. I might go out tomorrow evening, maybe for a walk.
Good. And that connects with another word you used, walk.
Walk. Moving on foot for exercise or fun. I'll go for a walk in the evening if the weather is nice.
Exactly. And you practiced that with Mike earlier.
Right. Survived the neighbor test.
And you did beautifully. Another word you used was plan.
Plan means deciding what I will do in the future. Like, I plan to call my family tomorrow evening.
Planning also helps when you want to talk about tomorrow clearly.
Planning makes my English life easier.
Exactly. And it makes your day organized too.
Organization. New word for me. Maybe tomorrow.
Haha, yes. Next, we said might.
Might. That means maybe I do something. I might visit a friend tomorrow evening.
Perfect. You use it when you're not 100% sure.
Ah, yes. Very flexible word. I like that one.
And while you used might, you also said by myself.
By myself. Alone. Without other people. Tomorrow night, I will watch a movie by myself.
Nice. That shows how phrases can combine naturally.
So tomorrow is a mix. Study, walk, maybe friends, and alone time.
Exactly. And also with a friend.
With a friend. Together with someone I know. I'm going to study English with a friend tomorrow.
Perfect. That gives your plan a social side too.
Study English, wake up early, make breakfast, go out, walk, plan, might, by myself, with a friend. Did I get everything?
Almost. Let's add afternoon and evening.
Afternoon. The part of the day after noon. I will study English tomorrow afternoon.
Exactly. Evening is the time before night. I might go out in the evening tomorrow.
Perfect. Now my English clock is ready.
Haha, yes. Now, viewers, try using these words to talk about your own plans tomorrow. Write 3 to 5 sentences in the comments.
I want to read your sentences. You can tell us what you are going to do, might do, or plan for tomorrow. Don't be shy.
Remember, viewers, you can mix simple sentences like Jack did. I am going to, I might, or I plan to.
Exactly. And you can say if it's in the morning, afternoon, or evening. Fun and simple.
Also, don't forget by myself or with a friend if you want to tell who you will be with.
You can be very clear, like, I might go for a walk by myself tomorrow morning.
Perfect example. That's exactly how viewers can start using these words naturally.
Okay, viewers, it's your turn. Write your sentences in the comments and practice speaking out loud. You'll feel more confident, just like me today.
And if you enjoyed today's practice, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell. Many more lessons are coming your way.
Exactly. Join us and keep practicing English together, viewers. See you tomorrow.